Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Harbor Breeze ceiling fan remote not working, full troubleshooting and replacement guide. Fix 1 is replace the remote battery. Open the battery cover on the back of the remote, then remove the old battery and insert a new one. Then make sure the battery is installed in the correct direction, then test the remote again. Second one is power reset the fan. Turn off the fan at the circuit breaker, then wait about 30 seconds. Turn the breaker back on, then test the remote. Many communication issues are fixed after a power reset. Third one is repair the remote. Turn the fan power off at the breaker, then turn the power back on. Within 30 seconds, press and hold the high and low speed button for about 5 seconds. Then wait for the fan or light to respond. Then test the remote. Fourth one is match the DIP switches. Remove the remote battery cover, then find the small DIP switches inside the remote. Remove the fan canopy and locate the receiver. Make sure the DIP switch's position on the receiver match the room exactly. Reinstall everything and test the remote. Thanks for watching.